In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify text in Microsoft Word. This seemingly simple task can make your documents look a lot more professional and polished by ensuring your text aligns evenly on both the left and right margins. Whether you're crafting a report, writing an essay, or preparing a newsletter, mastering text alignment in Word is a skill worth having. Let's get started. First off, we need to get into Microsoft Word. Begin by navigating to your Windows Start menu. It's that little icon usually found at the bottom left corner of your screen, though depending on your settings, it might be somewhere else. It's the one with the Windows logo. Once you've clicked on it, you're ready for the next step. With the Start menu open, it's time to locate Word. Simply start typing Word in the search bar that appears. As you type, Windows will begin to filter through your installed applications, and Microsoft Word should appear pretty quickly in the list. It's quite efficient like that, saving you from having to scroll through a long list of programs. After you see Microsoft Word pop up in your search results, go ahead and click on it. This action will launch the application, taking you directly to its welcome screen. Here you'll typically see a list of your recent documents and a few options to create new ones. If you're working on an existing document, feel free to open it now. If you're starting a new project, that's just as fine. The process of justifying text works the same way regardless. Now let's say you've either opened your existing document or decided on a blank one and typed out your text. The next thing you'll want to do is select the text you wish to justify. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the text. Ensure every bit of text you want to justify is highlighted. This visual indication shows you exactly which parts of your document will be adjusted in the next step. Here comes the actual justifying part, which can be done in two ways. For those who love using their mouse, look towards the top of the Word window. There in the ribbon, that's the area where all the action buttons are located, you'll find the Justify button. It's often grouped under the Home tab with other paragraph styling options like Align Left, Center, and Align Right. Clicking the Justify button will instantly align your selected text evenly along both the left and right margins. Alternatively, if you prefer keyboard shortcuts for a quicker workflow, simply press Ctrl+J. This does exactly the same thing as clicking the Justify button, but can save you a bit of time, especially if you're working on a lengthy document. And there you have it. Your text is now justified, giving your document a cleaner, more formal appearance. This alignment style is especially useful in academic and professional settings, where document presentation can be just as crucial as the content itself. A few things to keep in mind. Justifying text can sometimes create large gaps between words, especially in documents with wide margins or a lot of long words. If you notice this happening, you might want to consider hyphenation options in Word to break words at the end of lines more elegantly, or subtly adjust your text, either by rephrasing or slightly changing the size of your margins to improve the overall look. Also, remember that the appearance of justified text can vary depending on the font and size you've chosen. Some fonts justify more smoothly than others, so if you're not satisfied with the result, experimenting with different fonts could be worthwhile. Achieving a polished, professional look in your documents is essential, and knowing how to justify text in Microsoft Word is a key step in that direction. It's a simple process, but, as with any tool, mastering it allows for more precision and efficiency in your work. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this has been helpful and that you feel more confident in using Microsoft Word to create beautifully aligned documents. Keep exploring and you'll find there are countless options for making your work stand out. Happy writing!